Hey everybody, it's Wendy with Love and Stampin'. I'm excited you're here today. I'm going to show you a really fast video. This is like sped up super quick because I pushed the wrong button when I started recording it. So it's a time-lapse video instead of regular recording, but you're going to still get to see what I did. Basically, I ink blended the color splash colors together, and then I trimmed this down, splattered with some water, splattered with some early espresso, stamped a sentiment, added it to the front, added a little acorn for extra cuteness, and that was the card. Normally, my video would have been longer. At the end of this video, coming up here in a minute, you're going to see some fun stuff I did over the weekend and a Costco haul. Kind of a weird video. Let me know if you like it. Drop me a comment below. Be gentle.
All of you. Hey guys, so we made it to Grass Valley with just a couple of detours, and we're hanging out and looking at all the cool stuff. So I'm going to turn you around so you can see some of this cool stuff. An Elks Lodge. I don't really know what the elks do here, but it's pretty. And then this is the main street down here. It's really, really pretty here. I've actually never been to Grass Valley. Have you ever been to Grass Valley?
Only once.
Just once. Okay guys, I had to show you this because it's a cool optical illusion. So I'm standing, where am I? To the left? To the left of this train track thing. It's like a mural, and it looks like it's coming this way. And then if you go over here, look at that. It looks like it's coming to the right. That is so cool. Anyway, okay, we just finished shopping. Got lots of fun stuff, and this is the cool mural Grass Valley sign on the wall. Love it. And there's Laura taking pictures. Okay, we're at this winery that I don't know how to pronounce. Do you know how to pronounce it?
Nope, but I hope they tell us when we get inside.
It's interesting. It's got a beautiful pond, and it's really pretty. Outside dining. Really? Right when I turn on the camera, you need a drink? Okay. So we just got home from Costco. As promised, I was going to show you guys what I got. And we're having a fish fry today and having a few friends over. And so I'm going to flip you around, show you really quick the stuff that we got. Our haul was a little over $1,000. A lot of money. But we probably won't go again till November. So that'll last us a really long time. Okay. So ketchup. We always have to stock up on ketchup because my husband and kid go through a ton of it. I got these because they are only $6.99 for 30 of them, and we use them for fish fries, frozen, freezer meal type stuff. Bunch of bacon, 2 things of vinegar because I use vinegar in my laundry and cooking. Not really much cooking, but cleaning. The cheddar jack cheese. 2 things of mozzarella. So one of these will go in the freezer, one will go in the fridge. I've got cookies for today because I'm lazy and I didn't want to like make a dessert. So I thought this would be perfect to put outside for the kids. My husband got these for his lunches. I don't think he realized that these are vegan and gluten-free. This would not normally be his choice. So we'll see if he likes those. He picked these also. I scored this thing of coconut milk. I use coconut milk a lot in cooking. So this was only $6.99 for this entire pack, 6 cans. And I got flour because we're getting ready to go into baking season. So I'm stocking up on flour and sugar. And I've got chicken stock, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You notice I try to get organic when I can. So I'm kind of the philosophy I do as healthy as I can possibly do without causing problems in my family because my husband gets frustrated with all that. But he's pretty good about it most of the time. Country lemonade mix. We thought this would be good to have for when we have people over, like today. Big thing of baking soda. I use it for cleaning and cooking and everything. I got shampoo, Avocado mayonnaise. I have never had this brand. I have had, all I eat is avocado mayo in our family. So yeah, I've never had this brand, so I hope it's good. But you know, with Costco, sometimes it's hit and miss as to what you can find. I was super excited that we found my almond butter. I love Kirkland brand organic almond butter. It's delicious, so I got 2 of those. My husband wanted cashews. He loves English muffins with his breakfast. We stocked up on freezer bags. FYI, the gallon size freezer bags are limit 1 per family or per Costco card. So we both have a Costco card. So I was able to get the second, but we wanted to have extra of these. When my husband goes fishing, he uses these to put his catfish in after he fillets them. So we actually use quite a bit of these. This is the score of the day as far as I'm concerned. This marinara sauce is my very favorite marinara sauce ever in the whole wide world. It is normally like $8.99 to $9.99 per jar. I got a double pack today for $10.89. So that was huge. So I got 3 of them. It will take us a long time to go through 6 bottles, but I couldn't pass it up because you never know if the next time I go back, they may not have it. Cheez-Its. My husband snuck this into the basket. I would never buy Cheez-Its. It's bad for you. Okay, avocado oil. I use this for most of my cooking. Has a really high smoke point, so it doesn't oxidize when you're cooking with it. I love avocado oil, and I love getting this big bottle of it at Costco. I got some peppers, turmeric. We both take turmeric every day. I have... as you know, if you follow my channel, I have lots of problems with my back. I have metal rods in my back, and my husband is just getting old. So we both take these every day. And then my sister-in-law also takes them. They're great for inflammation. And they're a anti-inflammatory and good for your immune system. So we all take those. And I got her one because they were $8 off. I got another thing of maple syrup. We can never have enough of that. My husband got pistachios. He loves pistachios. He also got Sunkissed apricot super snack. I was like really surprised he got these. So when you shop with your spouse, you learn things about them. I didn't even know he liked dried apricots. Big thing of tortillas. We go through a lot of tortillas. Big thing of avocados. These are all hard as a rock, but what I do is I just set one in the windowsill, and then like within a day or 2 it's ready. So I'll probably do that. Set a couple in the windowsill. We got a big thing of chocolate chips because, again, baking season, super cheap way to have a lot of chocolate chips on hand. And I'll put them in a different container. Paper plates. And we get the expensive paper plates because we like them. They're sturdy, they're good. And yeah, so we got a bag of those. Okay, then we also got 2 packages of sparkling water, a Coke, and 1 Honest Kids. We already had 2, so we just got 1 more. And then we have the ice chest full of food. So... remember what I said about organic. I try really hard to go organic. So I've got organic ground beef, organic butter. There is a ton of meat in here. So I've got some filet mignons. Remember I told you about how yummy those were? Oh, look. Do you smell that? Oh, it smells so good. And yeah, there's a bunch of beef in here and chicken. That's what that boils down to. I didn't get any pork. I'm not a big pork fan, to be honest. And then we got these ice chests are great, by the way. These are Ozark Trail. We get them at Walmart. They're like $100, but they keep everything super cold. So I got frozen raviolis for my husband for lunches, pizzas, shrimp, Greek yogurt, strawberries, and some mahi-mahi. So that's our Costco haul. Truby, are you going to help me put it all away now? Oh, lovely.